Hello everyone and welcome back to Canadian Drivers. In today's video, I will cover winter driving, guys. This is the first time this year the snow came heavily, and I'm reading your comments and you asking me, Alex, can you please do video how to drive in the winter, and in case the car is sliding, what you can do. This video we're gonna cover everything step by step. I'm gonna show you the outside and inside so you can see what happens if sometimes the car brakes and you feel that kind of noise. Don't worry, your car is not break down. It's ABS or traction control. It's just to help us not to slide. But even though car is sliding, so also guys, before we getting into the video, I just want to mention that my car has a winter tires and it's helping me more because in the regular tires it's not going to be the same traction and you can slide. So we're gonna just jump into the video. Just before we getting there, guys, if you didn't subscribe yet, please hit that subscribe button, and it's very helping me if you don't forget to like. Also guys, most of the videos that I make, they will be on my Patreon. If you would like to see the videos there for the test routes, how to pass your test, what you need to do before the road test, all these videos I upload first of all on my Patreon, and people are texting me and telling me that it's helping them a lot to pass. So if you would like to join, link will be in the description, and let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, now it's snowy. The roads are covered heavy with the snow, and I'm gonna start moving and I'm gonna show you what happened if you suddenly accelerate and what you need to do in case this has happened to you. So I'm gonna start moving. Watch this lights comes on. If I go too hard, as you can see, it start flashing. And it's keep flashing because the car is sliding. As soon as I release the gas, there is no more flashing light. It was over here. So I'm gonna show you now. When I drive, you can see again it's flashing. So it depends on how you are pushing on the gas. Okay, so remember, gas is very important. If you go too hard, it's going to the car will slide. So let me show you again. You see no light. As soon as I step on the gas, this is what happened. The traction control start kicking in, and it's helping me to avoid sliding suddenly. So it's still sliding, but not as much. Now, as you can see again, I step on the gas and it's always getting me, and you can feel how the car is reacting. It's not going straight. It starts slightly move to the side. So I'm approaching the stop sign. Remember, now the lines and the sign, it's hard to see, so pay attention ahead of the time if you're going for the test. So watch again. I couldn't move. It start always, as you can see, it's flashing, right? It's a traction control. And as you see right away, when the car is not going straight, what happened, it's hard for me to maneuver, so I need to control the steering. The first thing that you have to do if you see that is on the gas. Don't go on the brake, because if you're going on the brake, the car will completely, you will completely lose control. Let's put it this way. Now, no line, as you can see guys, I cannot see the line, so I need to pay attention and I need to slow down sooner, because otherwise I will be on the middle of the road. I'm gonna make a turn. You see, it's very hard to move in the beginning, so to avoid all this, the simple way you need to do, start rolling. If the car is not rolling in the beginning, so I'm gonna show you something now. So you see, as you can see, it's 0 now. I'm not moving. Now I'm gonna release the brake, the car start rolling. If I gradually accelerate, I don't have that sign was flashing on the side, and the car is moving with no problem. Now I'm gonna go a little bit on the heavier side when there is more snow, and I'm gonna show you what happened if I brake suddenly. So I'm turning, and also on the turns, I ease on the gas completely. I'm just waiting until the car gets to the point that I can easily to straighten up. Now, I'm gonna show you again. So when I'm gonna start moving, if I step on the gas, watch what happens. The car is not moving. I'm pushing harder, but the car is actually not moving, and it's moving me away from the straight, to go straight. You can see it's keep flashing. As soon as I ease on the gas, the flashing lights disappeared, and I can easily stop with no moving far, and it stops right away. And I don't, when I press the brake, it doesn't slide. So you see, guys, I release the brake. This is the most important when you're in this kind of weather condition. No matter what car you drive, no matter what tires you have, if you're stepping on the gas, and it's gonna slide, it's not gonna let you go. It will hold you. Even if you push, the harder you push on the gas, the more you will slide. So look at the turn, right? And if I push the gas, what's happening? It's keep on flashing. So be careful on that. Remember, as soon as it's flash, just ease on the gas. Now I'm gonna show you something different. I'm gonna show you the braking and how the braking works, and how long is it take you to simply stop on the stop with the speed of, let's say we're gonna go at 30. So again, very hard to see the lines, very hard to see the curb. You need to be very careful when you do that. The more I push the gas, the car doesn't do anything. It's just sliding, and it's just waste, right? So make sure gradually, and no problem with the driving. Now, see the stop sign, and now I'm about 30, but when I stop, there is a noise coming and the car is shaking. As you can see, the car stopped nicely, but when I apply on the brake hard, you can hear that like a noise coming out. Don't worry about it. This is not, your car doesn't break down. It's just to letting you know that you're applying the brake too hard, and it's just showing you that, like, it's that noise coming, it's that ABS kicking in, so it's much easier. It's helping you to stop instead of suddenly stop. So I'm gonna go, as you see, as just I pushed slightly more on the gas, and the car just slide. So watch this speed. Now, if I release the gas sooner and I apply the brake on time, the car doesn't slide, the car is stopping nicely and moving also the same thing. So remember, gas very light, you will not have a problem. Heavier on the gas, the car will shake. So I'm gonna go to about, let's say, 40 kilometers. So hard to maintain the car now. Look at this, I'm pushing the gas and the car doesn't move. Look at that. It's very dangerous, guys. Be careful when you drive. Make sure you are not, if you can avoid driving, let's put this way, it's better to avoid the driving. I'm pushing the gas, nothing happened, it's just sliding. So let me show you the braking. So now I'm about 30 and I'm gonna brake now. Look how long it took me to stop the car, to completely stop the car. It took me too long. Now, as you can see, the car is not moving. It's just sliding. So try to avoid heavy braking. It's very important. Also, make sure before you applying the brake, take a little bit time. Don't step on the brake sudden, because the car, as you saw in the just now, I couldn't control it. It's just like stopped, whatever, it stops, right? So let me show you one more time. And look at that, it's flashing. It doesn't let me go because it's so slippery underneath, like the tires. Now look at the braking now. Takes too long to stop. So to avoid that, it's very simple. Ease on the gas sooner. Make sure you're slowing down in the winter, because it's not going to be as normal roads to stop. And if you if you feel that the car is not stopping, slightly ease on the brake, don't push too hard, and the car will stop much nicer. And in case you feel that noise underneath, don't worry about it. It's simply just the braking system, and it works perfectly. Your car, nothing wrong with it. It's just the brakes. So guys, if you have any questions regarding the winter driving, you can ask me. I can you can send me on the comments. I will reply. I hope this video helped you to understand that simply slow down, make sure you are getting ready ahead of the time, and this winter is it's just started. It's going to be more and more snow coming, and if you're ready for the driving for the winter, you will avoid accidents. You also will be safe. So that's what I want to show you in this video. As always, thanks for watching. If you just joined my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and good luck on your test.